Hey, guys. Today I'll be making a video at my fave and dislikes. These are my opinions, so don't attack me. Let's start with faves. I love hamsters. They're so cute. Now place. Swimming pool. Drawing, it's addicting. Winter, since there's snow. Pastel blue, it's so pretty. The oleander. It's so pretty. Youngsters Monigold. Blue, 33. Cinnamorol and Cosmo. Now dislikes. I dislike cats. I'm scared of them. No hobbies I dislike. It's just so hot. Olive green just looks weird to me. The Jimpy. Baked beans. Thick of it. I'm sorry, I just dislike him.